So in today's video, I'm going to try and recreate a beautiful eye look that I saw from Ann Nook, I believe her name is. I'll put the picture right here of the look that we're trying to recreate today. She's an amazing YouTuber, so talented. Her channel is based on like eye looks, so she's a huge inspiration. She is using in that tutorial Morphe palette. I don't have that exact Morphe palette, but since I know a lot of people love this palette and is also from Morphe, and the shades that I need are in this palette, decided I will use this, and hopefully if you don't have this palette, you will just use a palette that you have that has pinks, silvers will work. Are going to prime the eyes. The first thing I'm going to use is this Anastasia eye primer, which I love. We'll be blending it out with this Vasanti concealer brush. I'm just going to put some in the brush, dot and dot, and blend out. And the reason I decided to do this look out of all of the looks that she has on her channel is because a lot of people like that. You know how many views that look has? 20 million views. You guys have also asked me to try to recreate like other YouTubers' looks. I'm by no means a professional, like at all. I just love makeup. Going to take any brush that I can just pack on a color like this. I'm using this color here, Lynn. Okay, which is not even gonna show up on the lid, but it's okay. We're just gonna do it to set this primer. Now she takes the pink shade, so I'm going to take this color here called Self-Made, and with a very small detailed brush, because we're not just going to like buff out a color for now, we're going to like create like a line like this on the crease. That's what she does, and she actually like extends it like this. I don't know if I'll extend it like that. We have very different eye shapes. I have like droopy eyelids. I have to play around with the look and see how best it will suit my eye. I take this small, very small detailed brush. This is from Zoeva and it's the 310 spot liner brush. So I'm just gonna take that and tap on the color Self-Made. A line from the start all the way. Okay, I'm just gonna draw like a line. Her eye, when she opens her eye, she can see it. My eye, since it's droopy, you can't see it when I open my eye, like what line. Like it looks like I just did nothing, only if I close my eye. So I want to try and draw that line a little bit higher. Now it's time to move on to like a fluffy brush. Taking the MAC 224, and I believe she takes a light shade, maybe something like this one. This one is called Back and is a very light pink. We're just going to put it just like on top of that line, not in the middle, not right on it, but on top, like barely touching it. And you're just gonna go through the whole line and just blend. Look takes a little bit of patience, but we're just gonna blend this out so it doesn't look as harsh. The fun part comes. We're going to cut the crease. All that means is we're going to apply some concealer all over the lid, not touching the line. That's exactly where we stop, where we have that pink line. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You don't have to use this one exactly, just any concealer that will cover very nicely, you know, like a full coverage concealer that is a bit light. I'm just tapping that on the lid. To blend this out, you don't want a brush that is fluffy, you want like a flat brush, and this one is from Wet n Wild, super flat as you can see. So I'm just gonna blend this out. I just went in with the pink color again because I lost some of that color with the concealer, and I'm just gonna blend it out again so it's not as harsh. I'm gonna add some glitter. So I'm gonna use this color here called Custom Rims. We'll apply that with a brush. See how it goes with the brush. If not, we're gonna go with the fingers, and you're just gonna cover everywhere where you have that concealer. This is the Japanese brush, and it's the 346. So I'm going to go in with this shade. This is the Stila Glitter and Glow in Diamond Dust. This is so easy. I know she went in with the glue and then she put some glitter, but I find this easier than doing that and having to deal with glue. I'm just going to apply some of this Diamond Dust right on top that silver shade. Diamond Dust is just like the perfect shade to put on top. If you do get some fallout, you won't get fallout from the glitter and glow, but from first silver shade you put, then you can just like buff it out, or just put shadow shields if you do your foundation first like I do. She did line her eyes. She used the liquid liner for the top, and then she also did her waterline. I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty eyeliner. It's a double-sided, so you have a liquid liner and then you can do your waterline. Taking a small brush, I'm using this pencil brush. This one is by MAC. I'm just gonna blend that. Gonna use this shade here, Fast Lane, which is a matte black, and just put that like to set that black. Make sure that these two lines are connected. I'm gonna go in with this Luxie 37 blending brush. It's really small, and I'm just gonna take this shade called Moggle, and we're gonna put that in the lower lash. Before we apply the falsies, I will be using some Eyelure falsies. This is gonna make all the look come together. Gonna curl them. Apply some L'Oreal Telescopic. So these are the Eyelure. If you watch my channel, you know already that these are my babies. So let me just apply that. We can't forget to highlight the inner corner. For that, I'm using this e.l.f. eye crease brush. I just love it to apply highlight. It goes perfect in there. I'm going to use this color, Designer Labels. God, that just opens up the eyes so pretty. Just gonna add a beautiful gloss so all the attention is in the eyes, and this is Buxom White Russian. You know I die for this one. Let me just zoom in so you can see the look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!